Good morning, Cinderellas. It is about 4:38 a.m. and I just getting ready. I gotta leave here in about 20 minutes, and that's all I have to do my hair and makeup today. We have 2 weddings, and I'm just filming like a day in the life of a traveling makeup artist. I want to show you guys, you know, the behind the scenes, what goes on, especially like with our COVID brides. I want you guys to get an idea of like, you know, what we're doing to just take care of our girls and make their day special, even if their weddings have been downsized. And you know, so we're just super grateful. If you're a bride and you're watching this, we love you. If you're a former bride, we still love you. This is why we do what we do, because anybody that wakes up like this early to go voluntarily is a little crazy, and we are a little crazy sometimes. So here's my studio. I got all the full-blown lights. I left everything kind of set up and put my lights on. I just wanted that brightness to just wake up. Oh, I just got a new chandelier. You can see that. I'm excited, super excited about that. But I'm gonna go quickly do my makeup. I don't have any more time to chat, so we'll film a little bit more when we're on the road, okay? Bye. Hey guys, so makeup is done, and I'm gonna quickly do my hair. I think for me, I always find if you're a makeup artist and you're working on people, you always want to look nice. You know, you kind of want to remember you're representing your brand. So even if your bride knows you super well, and she's like, oh, it's fine, you don't have to. Like, you're gonna come in contact with so many people that day in the morning, where you know, there's bridal party and stuff, and you know, you want to set the best first impression, because your first impression, if you've heard that term, your first impression is your lasting impression. It's true. So, and I want you guys to say hi to my assistant for the day. Go ahead and turn around and show yourself. Are you excited? This one was up bright and early. When I got up, I was gonna wake her up like 15 minutes after me, but she already had set her alarm. So it shows really good responsibility, Ishika, right? Mm-hmm. So are you looking forward to today?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna get in the car in a few minutes. Oh, one more thing, another tip I wanted to give you guys was that advanced preparation always leads to good performance. And what I mean by that is, like, last night I packed my kit and everything last night. Everything was done, and then I put it into the car. Well, I didn't, but Ishika really helped me and do it. Thank God I have girls. Seriously. So she helped me put everything in the car. Both of the girls helped me to pack up my kit. I checked and, you know, saw if I need to refill anything, if I was missing like hairpins or, you know, maybe airbrush foundations, just different things that I know that I'm gonna need to use to perform throughout the day. And then I also had Anjali, she's like my coffee girl. Look at the disaster, the mess, a little bit of a mess that I made. But I had her make me an iced coffee, and it's 5 a.m. So we gotta go, let's go. Okay guys, so we're in the car. Beauty of the event this morning, and our bride is Sabrina. Congratulations, Sabrina and Dilu, on your wedding day today. The venue is only 20 minutes away from my house, which is awesome. So we didn't have to wake up super early. It was still early, but it could have been earlier. So. basically our COVID policy. We obviously are wearing masks, wiping down. We have our barbicide, alcohol, and we're just trying to keep everything like super separate. You know, having makeup artists in the other room, right? And hairdressers in the other room. And one of the other things that we're doing is we're keeping only the people that are getting services actually in their room. So that's just some tips if you're working at like a COVID wedding where people are like a little super anxious, whether it's, you know, the artist that's working or like the people coming in. So yeah, all right, we're about to get started. Here's my little setup. You can see that's my makeup station with my light. I love that, the glam core light. You guys rock. Shout out to you guys. Love it. Here's my hair station right here. And we're almost ready to start. Hey guys, good morning. Say hi to Sabrina, our beautiful bride. We're almost done with her makeup. We're like basically partway through the full process. We're just glamming her up for this beautiful day. How do you feel, Sabrina?
I feel good. I can't wait to see the final look. Hi. Getting ready to put on the lashes. Just curled my natural lashes. And I think it'll complete the look, right?
Yeah. Excited?
I have no idea what I look like. I'm sure you did a great job.
Yeah, let me re-say that. This is the behind the scenes on how all the brides get ready. It's not 1, 2, 3, it takes a while, okay? Perfection takes time.
You ready for your gift?
Yeah.
All right.
Aw, thank you. That is so sweet. The 5 love languages.
Have you read it?
I did, but
Yeah?
I love it.
Oh,
yes.
There's a little inscription in there for you too. Congratulations.
No, that's very thoughtful.
Ready to go and see the real life?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay, go right to the mirror and go and take a look.
Ah! I love it. I love it.
Hey guys, so we're on to the next bride. It's been a mad dash this morning, I'll tell you that much. And no matter how much time I feel like you plan for, something always happens. Like for me, like it was just extra time with the photographers, or you know, fixing something that, you know, should have ran really, really smoothly. So always give yourself extra time. Luckily, I still gave myself a buffer, so by the time I get there, it should take me a couple of minutes to set up and get started. So yeah, next bride, Tristy, we'll see you soon. This is Tristy.
Hi.
Her wedding today, and we're at the Rock. Oh, are we supposed to say where we are?
Yeah,
okay.
totally.
We're at the Rock Lake Country Club. We're glamming her up for her big fat Bollywood wedding, which has been downsized from big and fat to big and beautiful still. Yeah. So as you can see, it's really dark in here and we're so tired. Literally, we're tired and we had to take like a little nap, but now somebody oh my god. How does the 4 a.m. wake up call feel? Oh. Yep, we're tired. Outfit is ready. I don't know, Sarah has energy. Alright, we gotta curl some hair extensions now.
Yay,
So,
let's get it done, girl.
Done. Oh my god. Oh, I'm losing steam.
Yay.
Oh, losing steam. Tired.
We're gonna kill it.
Alright guys, this is the second look of the day. How do you feel?
Great. I'm starving, but I feel great.
She got her assistant feeding her the food. We got her doing the hair in the back. And then Barbie doing the makeup. So this is the finished look. Just finishing up the hair.
I think she should do more. Look.
Yeah, maybe like a 4th one. I'll pull it to the front though.
Do
Let's see.
4th.
All right, bruh. It's your end of your day and you've had a wonderful, beautiful day and you finally get to celebrate with all your loved ones. You look fantastic. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. Thank you so much for dolling me up. I can't wait for everyone to see my second look.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Hi kids.
Oh my god.
How was today?
Long.
Long? How many hours?
I think as an artist, you have to have resilience. You have to have passion and energy to love what you do, because if not, you'll hate what you do, because it is a lot of work and you get tired. But the most rewarding thing is for me, like making somebody feel beautiful. And I think we accomplished that today thanks to Ishika, myself, and this beautiful young lady here. Woo! Everybody nice and tired, ready to go home?
Yes.
What the heck is this? High five, high five. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just finished both of our weddings, 1 and 2. We had 2 separate weddings today. The start time was at 4 a.m. So that was such a long day. The end time was 8 o'clock, so I'm really tired because think about it. We woke up at 4 a.m. and we ended at 8 o'clock, so we had to pack up and everything and then leave. So tired. We've had a long, super long day, and you know, it was a very successful day, but a long day. And I can't wait to get out home, take a shower, change out of these clothes, and start another day tomorrow. So have a good night. I hope you guys enjoyed watching a little bit about what we do in the day in the life of a makeup artist.